Hello there, I am here to try this Oka Allo cocoa water. So it is a coconut water. Here's the packaging right here. And it is 126 calories for this container. Yeah, one serving is one container. Yeah. It was 79 cents on sale at a discount store. And I've got a glass here so we can get a real view of it. It does have the pulp in it, as you can see pieces of pulp floating around in there. So if you're not a fan of pulp, doesn't have an odor. It tastes okay. Definitely has, you know, the coconut water flavor. It's on the milder side. And then the very back half of it is a little bit of a tart finish. This actually is not as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually not bad. Would I get it again? In a pinch? Yeah, I would. Not in a pinch? Probably not. If you've ever tried this brand before, let me know what you thought of it. Would I recommend it? I would recommend trying it. If you're a fan of coconut water and you happen across this, I would say yeah, for the price it's worth picking one up and trying it and see if you like it. Yeah. I will probably continue to drink this. I don't know if I'll drink the whole thing, but I will drink some of it. If you haven't tried this product before, are you a fan of coconut water in general? Because usually people like it or they definitely don't like it. So let me know what you are down below. Thanks for watching this video.